Welcome back to Retire Too Soon. I hope you like the content. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The bed on this TRX6 Hauler, I think I do a lot better job than I did the first time. Look at the wheel clearance between the bed and the tire. If you notice here, it's kind of bending in both directions because it's catching on the shock mounts. So here's a little before. I took off the inside bed part, which exposed only the side. Also removed the winch mount. Next, we're going to be jumping into 3D printing. I mounted the 3D parts to the side. I did have to drill out the holes to 1/8 so I could fit the original screws in. I trimmed the back of it so it was flush with the back mount, and I also mounted it to the custom mount for my fifth wheel, so now it's secured in. Lights are still functional and it is ready for a custom bed. I did mount the winch down so that's nice and secured. Ready to do some recovery. She got the wheel clearance, suspension doesn't hit, getting ready to upgrade the suspension. Picked up these heavier springs in my local hobby shop, went with 70 weight, started in the rear. You guys can see the top mount where it will hit 70 weight in the rear, heavier springs, a lot stiffer now, can handle more heavy load. Decided to do the front, just installed the heavier springs, purchased hardware floor for the bed, cut it to fit everything so it fits nice and tight and secured. Reinstalled everything back in. I didn't particularly care for the sides on the right side. I tried doing duct tape, kind of make it look more construction-like. Also mounted the winch on top, 3D printed I think for the back to make it look nice, so I added more time. I was gonna do orange, but then had a change of plans. Picked up permanent vinyl at Walmart, had to respray paint the back. That's not right. Can you spot the problem? I guess I better fix it. Got it fixed, bolted down. The vinyl's looking pretty nice. Check out how flat it is. Like the RTS in the back. Did increase the weight, but it looks a lot better. Should be a lot more functional. I did mess up there a little bit, but then I patched it. So I think it turned out a lot better with the vinyl. What do you guys think?
Does your truck ride high? Is it jacked up to the sky? Is it tooted in the front? Does it got four-wheel drive? How tall is the lift and how good does it ride? Does your truck ride high? Yes, sir. Is that your truck? 24-inch rim, bang that thing right there, little tub. 35s in that thing, lift it up. Watch your Does your truck ride high? Is it jacked up to the sky? Is it tooted in the front? Does it got four-wheel drive? How tall is the lift and how good does it ride? Does your truck ride high? Yes, sir. Is that your truck? 24-inch rim, bang that thing right there, little tub. 35s in that thing, lift it up. Watch it creepin', watch it crawl about the mud. Is that your truck? You gonna hear me before you see me. Just gotta listen for me coming. I got 12.
Let's test how good the straps hold on. Hope you enjoyed the video. I have some big things coming, especially for the local Alaskans. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next video, thanks for watching. Bye.